Smile hello, my friends, student, patients, relative, and everyone. Vanakkam. We are from last 2 months suffering and passing through this maniac of COVID-19. Everyone is so much fearful with this virus. Actually, it is like this only. We should have lot of courage to fight with this situation. We are really worried about our elderly people and kids and relatives who is above 60, and they should be very protective under the this scenario, that they should not go out and they should be inside the home. For small tips, I am going to share with you of Sujok with color therapy and seed therapy, which can help you in this way, that if you want to fight with a small viral infection, which you can stop here only on the nose and throat and not going to the bronchitis and lungs, it will be better for you. So just try this seeds and color. If they can work for you, you can share it with others also, and you can comment if it is not working. Maybe I can suggest you another way. Okay, so if in Sujok, as I told you in my previous video also, you can see in my previous video on YouTube, this is our hand, which is just corresponding to our body, like trunk with the five extremities outside. So trunk with the head, two arm and two legs. Five extremities are the same as our trunk is here in a rectangular shape. In all the extremities, smallest one is our head. Same here, the smallest one is our thumb. So this is our head. Okay. Here is also two phalanx is there, only one neck and one head. So this is neck portion, this is head portion. So upper portion is the head portion, lower portion is the neck portion. If you are having any problem here nearby, you have to just circulate here some painful point with some key, car key, or some probe like this. We call it probe. It is made up of metal. So it will be better if you can choose some car key or some blunt like this portion. And if there is any problem like in a nose, it is red, running nose, nasal cavity is swelled up, and you are having a breathing problem, you could not able to breathe properly, and running nose, so you can just try this 5 point. I told you in before also there is some color therapy, and after color therapy I told you the horizontal and vertical seed therapy. But there is one another way where you can put one star. In star, you have to place the black pepper like this as a star. So this is the combination of vertical and horizontal both together. It is easy way, just I thought I can share with you. So you can keep a search point. You have to search point which is the most painful point here. This is your nose area. So first try to find out this 5 point here on the nose around area. Okay, and as soon as you got the point, even 3 also if you are getting, you can place this seeds here and keep it for the whole night. In whole night they will be recovered all the things. So the activation of this area and the defense system, it will start working more rapidly than usual. Okay. After this, the throat infection, I told you last time also, you can apply black or blue color here. This is the throat area, or you can apply the black pepper also. Same way, it is easy for you to put it down like this. So you can again put another star of black pepper like this. Cross the tape, half-inch tape you can cross, and here this is the throat area. So you can just find it out here like this, press some painful area, and if you are getting 3 or 4 point also here nearby on the neck, you can place this 5 of them black pepper here like this, and keep it for the whole night. In day also you can keep, but night the recovery will be faster because you are not using this hand. You can put it on your left hand or right hand anyway, but if it is a male member, they can put on the left hand. Female member, they can put on the right hand. Male on the left hand, female on the right hand. But for the kids, any hand you can use, and you can just try this. Otherwise, I told you previously also some color therapy for the nose. So you can apply the blue or black color here in a circle like this, one, and same circle on the throat area. This will be only for 2 or 3 days. Try this. In next video I will tell you about the lungs. If this can cure till your bronchitis. If it is a bronchitis also, this will help. After that, if the infection reach to the lung, I will tell you another way how you can go to the lungs and you can treat your lungs. Smile, thanks, take care, be safe, stay in the home.